Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the easy spelling and grammar check using Google Docs. So this is pretty easy tutorial. So what you need to do is just open your file in Google Docs. Okay, so I'm opening a file on my Google Docs, and here to do the spelling and grammar check, what you need to do is just click on the A and then check icon at the top. This one right here is for the spelling and grammar checks, or you can also use a shortcut Control plus Alt and plus X. So I'm going to just click on this, and then the spelling and grammar will be appear like this, like in a box like this. And if you want to receive the suggestion, you can just click on accept, and then it will move into the next like correction. You can just click on accept again, and then just so on like this. You can accept, and it will be changed accordingly based on the spelling and grammar by the Google Docs. So when it's done, it will disappear just like that. Okay guys, so that is how from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll catch you all in the next tutorial. Bye.